Okay, this is the update of the upgrade on Haworth Avenue. And it looks like they made that pole bigger, put lights on it, and that's the E-bell. And it looks like they'll be making this one taller too. The safetran hybrid bell. And over here, that signal is going to be one of the new ones. And it looks like there's second ones on the ground over there. The LED light. So it looks like there'll be some more LED lights for the pedestrian gates. And the gates are supposed to be down now because they're working on them, so they're not broken this time. But that's all for this crossing.